So as you guys can see right here, from Saturday to Monday, so from Saturday to Monday, 3 days, we did $3,032 in total sales. Let me just hit that refresh for the record one more time. $3,032 in sales in 3 days, you guys. Check that out. 2.96% return customer rate, 7,683 sessions, 1.5% conversion rate. That's normal for a type of product like what I'm running. If we go ahead and look at my TikTok's ad manager, just so you guys can see how much I spent in ads in order to do this type of revenue, right here, the 4th through the 6th, let's see how much we spent. So we spent about $991 in total ads. So that's about $1,000 in ad cost. Out of this, we have about probably another 20% of that total gross in product cost. That equals a total profit of $1,411. So obviously there's merchant fees and things like that that go into it, but we profited about $1,300 to $1,400 if we're being conservative, which is really, really crazy, you guys. We definitely profited quite a bit, considering this was the first 2 days and I was still definitely in the testing phase. As you can see, just so you guys can understand these analytics a little better, on Saturday, this $238 came off of just testing. I was testing one $50 CBO, and that's what this $238 came off of. So it wasn't anything crazy. It was one $50 CBO, and that's what made this $238. The next day, on March 5th, as you can see, we did $1,079 on March 5th. That was our second day running ads. It was our first day actually running ads and not just testing. As you guys know, the first day I just run a $50 CBO to kind of warm things up and see, kind of play the field, see what's going down. Usually you don't even make sales on that first campaign, but I did. But other than that, on the 6th, as you guys can see, we did $1,700. So this was our biggest day, and this was our third day. So this was the third day. By day 3, I kind of had an idea of exactly how I was going to work with this product. I'm still in the testing phase, obviously, with it, but it was really crazy that we were able to see a 1.7K day. Throughout the rest of the week, I'm still running ads, and I'll keep you updated on how everything goes. Make sure you let me know in the comment section if you want to see me do a product reveal on this product once I start making a lot of money with it. So if you guys want to see that, definitely like this video and let me know in the comment section, because I'm about ready to pull the trigger and just expose this whole entire brand and literally document me scaling this from 0 to 100K, 7 figures plus, because I know this is a 7-figure product that I'm working with right now. Next thing we're going to talk about is actually how I found this product. So the reason that we saved all those websites when we were looking for potential products to sell is because I'm essentially going to be taking those websites, seeing how much money they're making, and then deciding if we should sell the product based off of that. The reason this works so well is because, you guys, if you see an Instagram ad or a TikTok ad of a company that is marketing some sort of product or service, you click on the ad, you look up their website, and they're making money, it means that they're making money off of the ad that you saw, which means if you run a similar ad to a similar product or offer, you have a high chance of making money as well. It's as simple as that, you guys. It's pretty black and white. If that doesn't make sense, just rewatch that section again, because it definitely should, you guys. If you replicate what's already working, it's probably going to work for you too, right? And that's kind of the whole name of the game with dropshipping. Now, I'm not saying copy people exactly. You don't want to be that person that's just copying every other brand out there and doing nothing original. Put your own twist on things. Look to make things better. Usually when I look at a brand, I'll see a brand that's doing well and I'll think, this brand's doing really good. I know that they're killing it. I know I could kill it with the same product. How could I come into this market, make this even a little better, put a twist on it, and run this brand myself with my own little twist, right? And so I like to put kind of a twist on things. And like I said, in no way am I saying copy people. It's not good to just be a freaking copycat. But you guys, you want to make sure that you are getting ideas based off of what's already working, because if you don't do that, you're just going to be blindly shooting arrows in the dark trying to find a winner. As I said, we go to Dropship.io in order to do this, and all I use inside of Dropship.io is the sales tracker. As I go over here to this JBW watches brand, same thing, see what is selling the most and sell that first. So as you can see, this one watch has made double basically the second place bestseller, right? So this one watch we know is probably the best thing to sell, and the second place is just the same exact watch but in a set with a bracelet. So this watch is obviously super popping. So all we're going to do is go over here and type in square face iced watch. Boom, I spelled that so wrong. But anyways, you guys, as you can see right here, a similar watch for $7 as we're looking even more. You guys can find all these watches on here, right? Similar looking watches for way cheaper. Right here, here's another one, right? A little square faced one. It's not the exact same, obviously, and you don't need to be the exact same, but it is similar. So as we're scrolling through here, we're just finding, similar products to what their best sellers are, and that's what we're going to sell. So we're looking through here, right? All these different watches we can choose from for super cheap that we could start selling and, doing numbers like what they're doing, you guys. But that's the whole point of this video. And what I'm trying to show you is all you need to do is do the back end research, see what's already selling, and just sell that. That is how I put together a brand that did those kind of numbers. That is the whole process to how I did it. I went and I found an ad on Instagram that was working. I saved the website link. I saw that it was doing sales. The product that I'm actually selling was doing consistent, 10, 20, 30K days. So I knew it was a good one. If we get enough comments and enough people start asking me to show this brand, reveal this brand, I am going to pull the trigger and do it for you guys. So make sure you like this video, drop a comment below, and subscribe. That will also enter you into the brand giveaway, which I will be announcing the winners for on my Instagram, where I'm going to be giving away 2 people from the comment section a free dropshipping store. I'm going to be picking 2 people from the comments and giving you guys a fully built out dropshipping store built directly by my team. Super crazy opportunity. Like the video, subscribe, and comment to enter. With that being said, thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. My name is Jeremy Ray, and I'll see you guys inside of the next one.